Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some shroom strips. But before we get into this video, you guys, you already know, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. All right, you guys, we have the shroom strips. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a 360 view. Let's go ahead and bless this food. Now we're about to see what these joints taste like. You guys, listen to this crunch. Listen, 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 listen. Oh, you hear it? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all taste it now, because I'm trying to tell y'all this joint right here is so good. Now I'm about to add this hot sauce on there and dip it in this homemade vegan ranch that I made. Oh. Now we're about to try this zero sugar baked beans. Yo, when I tell y'all I was so shocked at these baked beans, please take them to the next cookout, because they're gonna be surprised. Zero sugar, you hear me? Those things were bomb. Now let me see what this Cajun broccoli coleslaw talking about. Oh yeah. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, get into it. This is what we're going to be using to make the shroom strips. Go ahead and cut your mushrooms into strips. Using 2 separate bowls, add your batter and your just egg. Now we're going to go ahead and batter our mushrooms. Dip it in the just egg first and then in the dry batter. And it looks just like this. We're going to go ahead and place this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. And this is what we're going to be having for our sides: baked beans and Cajun broccoli coleslaw. All right, the coleslaw is ready. Baked beans are ready. Next, heat up some oil in a medium saucepan. In this video, I use olive oil. Use the oil of your choice. Add your mushrooms, and we're going to cook these for about 3 minutes total on each side. Now these are ready. I'm going to go ahead and finish making the rest of them, and I will be back. And there you have it. Shroom strips taste just like chicken. I will see you guys in the next video.